Hello everyone and welcome to the KCET Today we will be discussing about the multiple choice, and our first multiple choice over here is a solution of acetone in ethanol. A obeys the Raoult's law, B shows the negative deviation from the Raoult's law, C shows positive deviations from Raoult's law, and D behaves like a near ideal solution. Now let's try to understand this entire scenario. So when we are going to mix the acetone in ethanol, right here, this particular mixture has a problem with respect to the miscibility. So the problem occurs with respect to the miscibility of the two liquids. So due to this particular problem, it directly affects the hydrogen bond. Now, the miscibility occurs because of two aspects. One is because of the issues with respect to the polarity between the two liquids. And second one is with respect to the length of hydrocarbon chain. Now, this particular thing has a direct impact on breaking the hydrogen bonds. So therefore, the hydrogen bonds are broken. Now they are broken in ethanol. Now as they are broken in ethanol, as a result of which this particular mixture, that is of the acetone and ethanol, it acts as a particular mixture showing a positive deviation from Raoult's law. Thus, our answer here is the option C, shows a positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Thank you.